Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. We are back with a new reading comprehension. It's about rabbits. Read the comprehension with me and understand it completely. At the end, you have some questions. Let's see if you can answer them. Rabbits are cute, little animals. Rabbits are cute little animals. Rabbits are cute little animals. They have two long ears and a short tail. They have two long ears and a short tail. They have two long ears and a short tail. They have soft fur. They have soft fur. They have soft fur. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. Kitten. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. Rabbits live in burrows. Burrows. Rabbits live in burrows. Rabbits live in burrows. They like to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables. Vegetables. They like to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables. They like to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables. Rabbits like to hop. Rabbits like to hop. Rabbits like to hop. Let's read the passage again. Rabbits are cute little animals. They have two long ears and a short tail. They have soft fur. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. Rabbits live in burrows. They like to eat grass, green leaves, and vegetables. Rabbits like to hop. Pause the video here to read the passage one more time. And if you understood the passage completely, you can continue with answering the questions. All you have to do is read the sentence and show a thumbs up if it is true, or a thumbs down if it's false. Rabbits have long ears. Thumbs up. It's true. Rabbits have long ears. Rabbits live in a den. It's false. So a thumbs down. Rabbits live in burrows. Rabbits can hop. Of course they can hop. So a thumbs up. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. A thumbs up again. It's true. Rabbits eat insects. No, it's false. So a thumbs down. Rabbits eat grass, leaves, and vegetables. Rabbits have a long tail. False. A thumbs down. Rabbits have a short tail. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and write to us in the comment section below. To watch more interesting videos, subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.